Okay, all of you, good morning. Today topic is mole molarity. Mole definition. Mole is the quantity of substance that contains 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 particles. This mole concept is used in the laboratories and industries in various chemical calculations. Another definition of mole: the amount of substance containing the same number of particles as the number of atoms present in 0.012 kg or 12 grams of carbon. Mole is equal to gram atomic weight of the elements. Example: 23 grams of sodium is equal to 1 mole. Mole is equal to gram molecular weight for compounds. Example: 98 grams of H2SO4 is equal to mole. The term mole can be used for atoms, molecules, ions, electrons, etc. The relation between mole and molecular weight of the compounds is given by the following equation: number of moles equal to weight of the compound in grams, gram molecular weight of the compound, that is a small n equal to W by GMW. Problems: find the number of moles present in 90 grams of water. The formula used: mole formula, small n equal to W by GMW. Weight equal to 90 grams, gram molecular weight of water equal to 18, small n equal to W by GMW. W is 90 divided by 18, that is obtained value equal to 5. Calculate the number of moles present in 1 kg of sodium hydroxide. 1 kg means 1000 grams. Sodium hydroxide. In sodium hydroxide, total molecular weight equal to 40. In this separated values are sodium 23, oxygen 16 and hydrogen 1, that is equal to total 40. Then substituted small n equal to W by GMW, W equal to 1000, GMW equal to 40, that is equal to 25. Calculate the weight of 0.2 moles of calcium carbonate. In this problem, small n is given and gram molecular weight equal to 100. CaCO3 molecular weight is 100. This is separated values of calcium carbonate. Calcium is 40, carbon is 12, 1 oxygen 16, 3 oxygens 48, that is equal to total 100. 0.2 into 100, that is equal to 20 grams. Weight of calcium carbonate 20 grams. Fourth one, calculate the weight of 2.5 moles of sodium carbonate. Number of moles equal to 2.5. Gram molecular weight of sodium carbonate is 106. In sodium carbonate, separate values are 1 atom of sodium 23. The two sodium molecules are 46, 1 carbon value 12 and 1 oxygen value 16, that is equal to 3 oxygen value equal to 48. Small N equal to W into GMW. Then substitute the 2.5 into 106, that is equal to 265 grams. This type of problems asking in mole concept, the calculating the problems used the formula of mole concept, small n equal to W by GMW. N equal to number of moles, that is represented as small n. W equal to weight of the compound, this is given in the problem, and gram molecular weight, which compound are given to calculate the gram molecular weight and then substituted. The quantity of a solute present in definite amount of the solution is called its concentration. The concentration represents the composition of the solution. In other words, it indicates the relative amounts of solute and solvent. A solution whose concentration is known exactly is called saturated standard solution. Dilute solution. A solution containing a small amount of solute compared to that of solvent is known as dilute solution. The concentration of a dilute solution is very low. The concentration of a solution is expressed in the following ways. One is molarity, second one is normality, third one is molality. It is represented as molarity capital M, normality capital N, molality small m. Molarity. The common method to express the concentration of a solution is molarity small m. The number of moles of a solute present in 1 liter of the solution at a given temperature is known as molarity. A solution containing 1 mole of solute in 1 liter of the solution is called 1 molar solution, or similarly, if 0.1 moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter or 1000 ml of solution is called decimolar solution or 0.1 molar solution. Example, 50 grams of NaOH, that is equal to 1 mole, if present in 1 liter solution, the molarity of the solution is 1 molar. The solution containing 4 grams of NaOH, 0.1 in 1 liter or 0.1 molarity solution. Molarity of a solution is calculated by the following equations. First one, molarity equal to number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liters. Second one, capital M equal to W by GMW into 1 by volume in liters. Third one, capital M equal to W by GMW into 1000 by volume in ml. Second one, capital M equal to molarity, W equal to weight, GMW equal to gram molecular weight into 1 by volume in liters. Third one, capital M equal to, M means molarity, W equal to weight, GMW equal to gram molecular weight into 1000. This 1000 taken in formula to give the formula ml value. For example, 250 ml, 400 ml or 500 ml given, taken this formula, and liters, 1 liter or 2 liters or 5 liters given, dissolved the salt in problems, the used first formula 1 by volume in liters. Another one, m1 v1 equal to m2 v2. m1 molarity of concentrated solution, v1 volume of concentrated solution, m2 molarity of dilute solution, v2 volume of dilute solution. For volumetric analysis or laboratory use, the molarity relation m1 v1 divided by n1 equal to m2 v2 divided by n2. m1 equal to molarity of first solution, v1 equal to volume of first solution, n1 equal to number of moles of first solution, m2 molarity of second solution, v2 volume of second solution, n2 number of moles of second solution. The units of molarity is moles per liter. Molarity depends on temperature. If temperature increases, molarity decreases. Then next, normality. It is represented as capital N. Its units gram equivalents per liter. The number of gram equivalents of the solute present in 1 liter or 1000 ml of solution at a given temperature is called normality. Normality capital N equal to number of gram equivalent of solute, volume of solution in liters. N equal to x divided by volume in liters. X equal to number of gram equivalents of solute. It is calculated by the following relation: weight of solute in grams divided by gram equivalent weight of solute GEW. Formulas capital N equal to W by GEW into 1 by volume in liters, or capital N equal to W by GEW into 1000 by volume in ml. In N means normality, W means weight, GEW gram equivalent weight into 1 by volume in liters. In problem given 2 liters dissolved in the salt, 3 liters dissolved in the salt, that is used formula volume in liters. Another one, small n equal to W by GEW into 1000 by volume in ml. In problem given 400 ml, 600 ml, 250 ml or 100 ml, this formula is used for the calculation. Normality relation for dilution capital N1 V1 equal to N2 V2. N1 equal to normality of concentrated solution, V1 volume of concentrated solution, N2 normality of dilute solution, V2 volume of dilute solution. The units of normality is gram equivalents per liter. Normality depends on temperature. It decreases with increasing of temperature. If 1 gram equivalent of solute dissolved in 1 liter or 1000 ml of water, the normality of solution is 1. This solution is known as 1 normal solution or 1 normality solution. Similarly, if 0.1 gram equivalent weight of solute is dissolved in 1 liter or 1000 ml, the resulting solution is known as decinormal or 0.1 normality solution. If 49 grams of H2SO4 gram equivalent weight of H2SO4 equal to 49 dissolved in 1 liter or 1000 ml of water, the normality of solution is 1 normal. If 5.3 grams of Na2CO3 gram equivalent weight of Na2CO3 equal to 53 grams dissolved in 1 liter or 1000 ml of water, the normality of solution is 0.1 normality. It is known from the above discussion that the normality can be calculated if the gram equivalent weight of the solute is known. The equivalent weight of various substances is calculated by the following equations. Equivalent weight of an acid, it is the ratio of molecular weight to its basicity. Equivalent weight of acid equal to molecular weight divided by basicity. Basicity is the number of displaceable hydrogen atoms present in an acid. For example, hydrochloric acid, it divided H plus and Cl minus. It displaces one hydrogen because hydrochloric acid solution molecular weight 36.5 divided by 1 equal to 36.5. Next example, H2SO4. The H2SO4 divided into 2H plus SO4 minus 2. It contains 2 hydrogen H plus ions because it displaces 2 hydrogen atoms, because 98 divided by 2 equal to 49. In acetic acid, it divides to CH3COOH into formation of H plus ion and CH3COO minus ion. In acetic acid, one hydrogen H plus ion present because its basicity 1, that is a 60 by 1 equal to 60. Equivalent weight of base, it is the ratio of molecular weight to its acidity. Equivalent weight of base equal to molecular weight divided by acidity. Acidity is the number of replaceable hydroxyl groups of the base. For example, NaOH, it divided Na plus and OH minus. It replaces one hydroxyl group, that is the molecular weight is the 40 divided by 1 equal to 40. And potassium hydroxide, it also divided K plus and OH minus. In this compound one hydroxyl ion are present because 56 divided by 1 equal to 56. And calcium hydroxide CaOH2 taken twice 2, it divided into Ca plus 2 plus 2 OH minus, it releases 2 OH groups, its acidity to 74 divided by 2 equal to 37. The ratio of molecular weight to the total valency of cations or anions. This is the equivalent weight of salt. The equivalent weight of salt calculation, it is the ratio of molecular weight of the total valency of cations and anions. Equivalent weight of salt equal to molecular weight divided by total valency of cations or anions. For example, sodium chloride, it divided Na plus and Cl minus, it containing one cation and one anion. Its molecular weight is 58.5. The 58.5 divided by 1 equal to 58.5. Then next Na2CO3, it divided to 2 Na plus and CO3 minus 2. Its molecular weight 106. Its total number of cations and anions 2. 106 divided by 2 equal to 53. Okay, now these are the following calculations of GEW. It is used for calculation of normality. Okay, in this topics asking the questions, define mole, comma molarity, comma normality, and write the different compounds of molecular weights, and write the different compounds of gram equivalent weights, and asking problems, calculation of mole, molarity and normality.